Installation of stainless steel joist. Notice, when the window is encountered during installation, need 2 pieces of joists. Use electric drilling the pre-drill. Fix the start clip. Install the first piece of cladding. Fixing screws. Continue as above instruction, one by one to finish the whole cladding's installation. Fix a small piece of wood between the joist and the cladding. Continue installing the cladding. Padding the cladding around the window frame by styrofoam. Install the L corner. Fix by stainless steel screws. Continue as above instruction. Continue installing the cladding. Install the L corner and fix by screws. Oakio cladding installation solution.